Hello, everybody. Justin, 5180 9-pound hammer. Want to give a little demonstration of what a sideband sine wave on an oscilloscope should look like and what it should look like on the spectrum analyzer. So we have two different spectrum analyzer views going here and voltage over time measurement in yellow. Below the voltage over time measurement in yellow, we'll see our tracking, our fast Fourier transformer, which is going to give us a look at our spectrum of frequency. Uh, you know, so it's going to measure the amplitude over frequency in white. Down at the very bottom is going to be measure of spectrum. So here's what we got. This is what a sideband sine wave should look like. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 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 Testing, testing, testing. Now, a couple of things that I want to point out. Set this down just for a second, folks. Oh, it's kind of hard to work everything with one hand. So when you're looking at sideband, obviously, when you key the microphone, you actually can look at the white. Remember, there's a couple of nanoseconds of delay time in between it. So when I key up here, notice that there's nothing coming up on the sine wave until I put voice. Right now, we're about 18 to 20 inches away from the microphone. And notice when I talk that that's the only time that you're going to see any signal coming into the voltage over time, the yellow. That's because on sideband, we do not have a carrier. So you're not seeing the carrier. Now I'm going to go to AM and demonstrate an AM carrier. Now this is an AM carrier. And a pretty decent carrier at that. About 14 continuous watts of output. Set the phone down one more second here. Let you verify here that there's 14 watts of output coming out the transmitter. Looking here on the second line, 0 to 1,000, you're only going to be looking right here. Set my trigger on my but I can't even talk. My sensitivity on my spectrum analyzer down here for us. Now I'm going to come over to the transmitter and I'm going to ask the transmitter to take that 14 watts, take it down to about 5. So there's 5 watts. Going to ask the transmitter to turn it, go down to 4 watts. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Go back to 14. Going to show you that we're on 27385, which is obviously sideband frequency. You see we're on amplitude modulation. Now we're going to take that and change it to lower sideband. Go right back. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Look up here at the top of the screen. There's your little demonstration. Now this here is a whole piece of equipment. That's a bad boy. That old HP 7.3s.